Here is my update on the Tec Paragon number 2. So as you recall from previous videos, the keypad didn't work very well, and I just didn't know why. I thought maybe it was software in the radio or bad chips in the motherboard, but nope, it was something more basic. So all these little guys are little push buttons that were all installed here, and I have tediously unsoldered all of those. I would say 3/4 of these just didn't work anymore. I'm not sure why. They just don't work anymore. So I ordered 100 of these from the Chinese communists. These are on Amazon. These are about 6 millimeters by 6 millimeters by, this one I think is 3 millimeters tall, and I was only able to find 4.3 millimeters, so I'll probably have to put a millimeter shim into this board when I mount it to shim it. So I'll fit that when it's all done, but I'll just be happy if those buttons fit in here and they work electrically the same. So only $5 for like 100 of those. I'm just gonna wait for them to come, and if they are electrically equivalent and they fit, I'm gonna start soldering them all in. Anyway, yeah, this has been tedious. I've just been unsoldering here for like an hour and a half, and they're finally all out. They did unsolder pretty easily, thank goodness. Unlike the IC chips that I've taken out of these boards. And so, wait for the new ones to come and put them in. So yeah, fixing ham radios. It's tedious. It's frustrating. Enjoyable though too, once you get these things working. So yeah, there's a bunch of these in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 44, these little monsters here. So, yep, all out. Put in some new ones, put the board back in the radio, and hopefully I can then fix the PLL unlock issue that's still happening. I couldn't select bands, I couldn't enter frequencies, I couldn't do anything with the radio to really figure it out. So anyway, that's my dilemma. And this is going to be a bear to get back together. It's really going to be hard. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.